How's it going, guys? Mcfgotmillk. Welcome back to another auto video, and today I'm going to be telling you why it is extremely important to have this certain item in your car. But obviously, before we get started, just make sure you leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more, and as always, let's get back to the video. So this is like one of the most important things you can have in your car, and I say this because of fraud and just anything can happen, and this will save your butt and your life. I promise you it will, and it almost has multiple times for me. And that is obviously a dash cam. I cannot tell you enough how important it is for you guys to have one of these little things in your car. If you guys don't believe me, just look it up, honestly. Go on, for example, on YouTube, which you're on now, type in car crash comps, for example. You're gonna see a lot of people who are gonna try to like do fraud. Like you see people who will like jump in front of you and then brake check and they ran right in the back. It would have been the driver's fault, but guess what? He had a dash cam and proved that it was reckless driving the guy and it's his fault. It's just anything can happen and the dash cam will save your life again. But this one I can easily, if I was to get into an accident, someone started blaming me when it looked like it could have been my fault, I can be like, hey, Mr. Police Officer, come here. Stop the recording, go back, and since there's a screen, he can look at it and guess what? I'm right, he's wrong, because video never lies. Plus dash cams come in all different types, different sizes, prices. Just, you can get a dash cam for like 20 bucks. This one wasn't that much money. I think it was around, I don't know how much I got it for. I think I got it for a Christmas gift, to be quite honest with you. The only thing that was expensive was the mini microchip, because it's 64 gigs and I can record like 9 hours continuously, and then I'll start deleting the old footage after that 9 hours, and I'll like override it and just keep going. So if in the middle of the night someone hits my car, I can just, and then they run, I can just look at it like, oh, okay, it was you. It's that simple. And again, this one's HD. So you can honestly just pull it up on your computer like right now. There's little ports on it. Just plug your phone into it. There you go. Upload. Again, the point is it will save your life in case anything happens. Even if it is your fault and you hit them, it's better to have video evidence just in case for insurance or anything. But trust me, I cannot like say it enough. Get a dash cam. It will save your life. I promise you. But alright guys, that's the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked it, make sure you leave a like. And again, subscribe to the channel for more. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.